Well, as a divorce attorney, I probably have a different perspective on that one. But, I respect everyone's opinion. And as a matter of fact, I do have my own opinion also as a person and also as an attorney. Of course, I value the sanctity of marriage. I'm so proud to be raised in a family na buo, and that is my ideal family as well. But as a divorce attorney, divorce is not gonna happen just because nag-away sila. It's usually years and years and years. Yung anak nang nagmamakawang, mommy, daddy, mag-divorce na kayo. It's too much.
Yeah.
So it depends on the situation. What I always tell my clients, it's not the first solution. It's not the only solution. It may be the last solution kung talagang hindi na maayos. Katulad nga sinabi ni MJ, if you can fix it, fix it. As a matter of fact, lahat sila, they tried to fix it. For ano na lang, mental sanity and everything. That's what they do na.